They called it a lost cause, a beast left to rot in the dark.
But beneath the dirt and neglect lies German engineering perfection.
Today, we don't just clean a car. We bring a legend back to life.
The first step is always the most satisfying. Stripping away years of neglect.
We let the chemistry do the heavy lifting, lifting the grit before we even touch the paint.
Decontaminating the wheels. That purple reaction, that's the iron deposits dissolving.
Now the canvas is clean, but we are far from finished.
Gentle contact. We have to be careful not to grind the debris into the clear coat.
To do this right, everything must come out. There are no shortcuts in restoration.
It's amazing what you find hidden beneath the seats. History erased in seconds.
Steam penetrates where brushes can't reach, killing bacteria and loosening the grime.
Every inch of leather is agitated by hand, restoring that matte factory finish.
The heart of the beast, the V8 bi-turbo. It's silent now, but not for long.
A clean engine runs cooler and allows us to spot leaks. It's about function, not just form.
New spark plugs, essential for that sharp Brabus ignition response. Draining the lifeblood. This oil has seen better days.
Fresh synthetic oil, ensuring this high-performance engine runs smooth as silk.
Even the parts you barely see get the VIP treatment. Details matter.
The paint feels rough, like sandpaper. Claying pulls out the embedded impurities.
Preparation is key. We protect the trim before the heavy machinery comes out.
Paint correction. We are shaving off a microscopic layer of clear coat to remove the scratches.
The difference is night and day. This is the true depth of the Brabus Black.
Locking it in. Ceramic coating adds a glass-like layer of protection for years to come. Locking it in. Ceramic coating adds a glass-like layer of protection for years to come.
Reviving the plastics. No more faded gray. Everything must look factory fresh.
Hydrating the leather. It needs to be soft, smelling rich and luxurious.
Restoration isn't just cleaning, it's repairing the passage of time, one button at a time. Shoes back on, torque to spec, ready for the road.
Putting the puzzle back together. The interior is now a place you want to be. From a dusty relic to a showroom masterpiece, the transformation is complete.
The Brabus is back, cleaner, faster, and darker than ever before.